know I'm doing something important. Each day I go out with my trolley and collect all the plastic bottles in my area. I know some people see me and think what I'm doing is a dirty job, but I'm actually making things cleaner. Not only am I making the world a better place to live in, but I also get to feed my family.
What is really exciting for us at Mpact is that our purpose goes beyond just producing packaging. We are changing society. We are changing the lives of people through the creation of meaningful employment, and we are changing in broader society through the reduction of waste and the reduction of landfill space. We are very pleased to have partnered with government and the IDC to make this 350 million rand investment, the result of which is 29,000 tons of used plastic bottles that will no longer go to landfill. In addition, we've seen the creation of at least 1,000 additional jobs in the recycling stream. And that is what sustainability is all about.
It's been a phenomenal experience to watch the structure come up, from a concept to receiving 109 containers of equipment from Krones in Germany to a fully commissioned plant on time and within budget. A skilled team of Mpact engineers worked around the clock alongside Krones engineers as well as local teams and suppliers to get the plant ready to supply high quality bottle grade recycled polyethylene terephthalate or rPET to the industry.
We developed the rPET plant in close collaboration with key customers and to ensure that the recycled material meets the highest international food safety standards. We had the privilege of working closely with Coca-Cola Southern Africa, its bottling partner Amalgamated Beverage Industries, SAB Miller and industry body Petco to bring the project to fruition. Our carefully planned entry into PET recycling is of great benefit to South Africa, as well as being a strategic investment for Mpact. It allows us to leverage our existing collection capability in paper to collect PET bottles as well.
They're telling us they need even more bottles now, so we can make more money. My brother has started to collect too. We'll have a good year.
I started in 2011 because in 2010 ndahlala phansi ndangaphangeli ndabona ukuthi ngizawugula ndaba weak ngoba ngizojwayela ukusebenzisa amandla. Ngahamba ke ngoku ndabona abantu becola amabhodlela amabhokisi namaplastic buza bathe ayisaphi nabasho. Aqala ke nami ke ngoku ukusebenza ngabe sengithole iveni le yami kodwa ayizuhlala endlini bendithengela ba kube khona umsebenzi endiwenzayo ngayo. Layisha ke kuyo. Ikampani le Mpact le ndiyifumene kulabantu abadonsa maintenance amatrol lapha esithubeni. Baba ndibuza abantu into bazisaphi sebazithola efa. Iza amalanga amathathu, ngiza amalanga amathathu okanye angu-4 evekini. Ndiyakwazi uhlukanisa plastic. Bayile plastic ethile le plastic ethile. Nephepha liphepha elithile eli le into ethile le ephepheni bizwa kanjani items aphaya efemini so engafunekiyo ndiyeke.
We take the bottles to the drop-off centers and they pay us. Then it goes to a factory to be made into new things.
We keep about 450 tons, which is stock for the production to run. 4 to 5 trucks a day. One truck is about 12 to 15 tons of bales. The front end, we receive the bales from the yard, take them through a conveying system, remove all the foreign materials like bricks, metals, wires. We also remove labels from the bottles, and we also separate clear PET and light blue from the rest of the PET. And then we do also have manual sorting, also removing whatever is not removed from the process. And then from there we grind them into flakes. The wash module receives its feed from the front end, which is ground flakes. These flakes, we take them through the wash module where we introduce chemicals to wash and remove the dirt. And we also remove the bottle caps and the rings. And at the end of the process, we remove non-PET and colored PET through a sorting module. This is in preparation for the next process, which is the decontamination process. Here in the decontamination module, we receive flakes from the washing section. We heat the flakes up to remove the moisture or water in the flakes, take them through a vacuum reactor system where we decontaminate them for a couple of hours, take them through an extrusion process, at high temperatures to melt the flakes, convert it to a mold, and then we pelletize them into smaller sizes, dry the pellets, and then we bag them, preparing them to be dispatched to our various customers. In the decontamination module, we ensure that quality assurance is done to ensure that the product produced meet the requirements of our customers. Dispatch is kept very busy, dispatching high quality product to our customers daily.
It's funny thinking next week or the week after, maybe I'm collecting the same plastic just in a new bottle. But it's good. They must keep it coming so that I can make more money and keep supporting my family and local community.
Recycling old plastic bottles into new plastic bottles is our primary goal. But over and above PET being used in the creation of new plastic bottles, it can also be used to make new food-grade packaging, such as plastic trays and tubs.
We are proud of our technology and our processes, and proud of the foundation we are laying for South Africa's future.
We have 18 of us who are working under Mpact, and then eventually after Mpact empowering us, and then we managed to create more than 100 jobs under a Twin Cities, which is working under Mpact as outsourcing. Some of them we send them to courses, and then we also have a certain woman which is under senior positions. If recycling is a daily basic in our life, we cannot change it. We drink cold drinks. That means if you are doing a recyclable, that means a continuous employment. That means you cannot lose job.
It's why we call our rPET product Savuka. It means revival, which is what recycling is all about. Not just of the plastic, but of our communities as well.
Maybe one day my son will work in the factory where they take the bottles. Then he can tell me what happens to them. I think it's a good thing they're doing, making new things from this old plastic and helping us make better lives for ourselves and our families.